Here we are on the college homepage, and I'm going to pull down Academic Class Finder. I'm going to select Winter 2020. Let's look at history at all campuses and all instructors. Somewhere down here there's a search button. So here's all the history courses that are offered this term. Look at them all. Suppose that I want to see what one looks like in Moodle. There's one, History 216001, CRN 12762. 001 means it's offered in Kelowna. Oh, 061 on the end means it's offered in Salmon Arm. 071 Vernon, 051. Hang on, I think there's a pattern here. It's alphabetical. 001, 002, whatever, is all Kelowna, KLMNOP. 51 is Penticton. The next one alphabetically is S. 61 is Salmon. Alphabetical last one is Vernon, 71. Okay, we know this is offered in January of 2020. What does this look like in Moodle? Let's go pick on this 251061. Okay, meanwhile in Moodle, I'm on the site home, and at the bottom of site home there's a search field. I can put history, I got to spell history correctly, history 251. What do we get? 7 courses. Which one was the one that I wanted? Oh, look at the ending here, last 6 digits, 2018. That's a year, 2018, 2019, 2020. Okay, we're getting closer. There's 2 courses that are 2020. Remember, 061 was Salmon Arm, 071 is Vernon, top of the same guy. So what does the 10 mean at the end here? 10 is winter term, January. 20 is summer term, May. 30 is fall term, September. So that's the course that I was looking at, 251061 in 2020-10. See this 5-digit 12765? That's the course reference number. Let's see if this is accurate. 12765. History 251061 12765. So it works. So here's another shortcut. In Moodle, site home, you can search for that number, 12765. That's the CRN. Oh, in this case we got lucky because there's only one course with that course reference number. What if we take 13456? It's only one course. This is not demonstrating what I wanted to demonstrate. 33159. No courses. How about 31159? There we go. 2 different courses with the same CRN, but they're in different terms. So CRNs, the course reference number, are reused from term to term. So having a CRN and the term is a unique identifier. Okay, let's look at a slight variation to this. We're in the Academic Class Finder. There is a Continuing Studies Class Finder, and it behaves a little bit differently. Winter, let's look at all the business courses at all campuses. Okay, let's scroll down here somewhere interesting. MGR, okay. There's no code that tells me Vernon or Salmon Arm. I just have to know that. There's a course reference number, and there's a term. Let's go find this, 80427 in Moodle. So I can go site home, I can search for this, 80427. Oh dear, I got 4 possibilities. But I know what term I was in. I was in the 2020 term, not the 2014, not the 2019, not the 2018. But this has an 11. So instead of 10, 20, 30, Continuing Studies uses 11, 21 for the first summer term, 22 for the second summer term, and 31 for the last for the fall term. But that's the course, 80427. Let's just confirm that. 80427. Okay, that worked. One other thing that I'll show you that's really useful. Suppose that you have a development shell in Moodle. You can just search for, you can use the wildcard, which is a % in Moodle, and put DEV for development, and you'll find 941 development shells. Okay, not that useful. How about if it's a economic development shell? Oh, now we're down to 12. Now it's also going to search all this text, the descriptive text, so that's not that helpful. So you may get some false hits like business. But there's my Economics 115, Economics 125 dev, 261. Okay, so those are really my 2 economics dev courses. So that wildcard can be quite useful in a lot of ways. Suppose I want to find a history course. Let's go History 112, and if I put in the year, it was from 2019, and I'll put another wildcard, so that'll give me 10, 20s, or 30s, winter, summer, or fall. This should show me all the History 112 courses that were taught in the summer of 2019, fall of 2019, winter of 2019, and it can help me narrow down which course I'm looking for very quickly. Now all this stuff about the CRNs and the years and the terms mostly doesn't matter because you've got your own courses on the dashboard, but when you go to import from another course, you want to make sure you have the exactly correct course. And when you're asking for Moodle help, you want to make sure we're both talking about the same course.